First, let's create a new document. You'll want to set your desired dimensions, color mode, and resolution, depending on how you plan to use your art later. We're starting with a clean slate. Next, we'll grab the pencil tool from the toolbar. It is perfect for loose, organic lines. Click and drag to draw a basic shape, like a circle or square. Embrace those wobbly lines. Then, let's head to the stroke panel. Adjust the stroke weight to vary the thickness of your lines. Experiment with different weights. Also, play around with those profile options for extra flair. Now, we start to build up the scribble. Overlap the lines, creating a more complex design to establish the focal point of the art. Vary directions and lengths for added interest. For adding more variety, try the width tool. Select and then tweak the width at different points. This adds a more organic and contrasting look. Now, we add some color. Select your scribbles and apply a fill color. You can also use gradients or patterns. Fill with different colors. Finally, have fun experimenting. Add details, shapes, and whatever else you want, and that's it. You've created unique scribble art. Keep creating.